Kia ora. Let's look at the letter R. It isn't pronounced the same way as it is in English. It's more of a R. It's a bit like if you're cold and you say brr. And in English, we say the word kitty, and it sounds like the same as this R in here. Kitty, the girl's name, sounds the same as kitty, this word. So let's also practice with a phrase. This is the phrase I say at the beginning of every video, meaning hello. It literally means be well. And you'll hear people saying kia ora, or perhaps they're saying kia ora and rolling that R, but what they're doing is they're missing out this A. You can't miss out any letters in Te Reo Māori. There are no silent letters. So it's either kia ora or it's kia ora. And kia ora is just joining those two middle vowels together, and that's what you'll hear Māori people saying. Kia ora. So, kia ora. I encourage you to practice that one. Ka kite.